Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will study relative pronoun. What's relative pronoun? Dear friend, a relative pronoun or those pronouns which join two sentences together. Okay? By the helping of relative pronoun, we can join two sentences to each other. Okay? And there are four kinds of relative pronoun: who, which, whom, and what. We can use who instead of person. Okay, we can use instead of persons, and we can use which instead of things, and whom instead of persons, and what instead of both person and things. For example, we must join first sentence to the second sentence. I saw the person. Who you like him. Who you like him. We can join this by the helping of whom. I saw the person whom you like. Okay? Whom is caused to join two sentences together. Okay? This two sentence join and make this sentence. Okay? These are all about relative pronoun. You can make different kinds of example. I saw the person that you like. You can use that instead of that. I kicked the person that you hit him. You can use which. I bought the marker which you like. Okay? It's very simple. That's the end of our today's lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Have a nice time.